Hello everybody and welcome to 9 Lucente. I'm Skylay with Chessie Pagano and Associates and welcome to your new home. This home features 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms and a beautiful wraparound courtyard that you can enjoy summer, winter, day or night. This canyonfront property is over 1,400 square feet and can be yours for $645,000. Welcome to this beautiful 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath here in Passegio. It's one of the best places here in the entire community. Here we have a beautiful, spacious, and open living room with a formal dining room tucked off to the side. And here we have the cutest little living room, sitting room, fireplace area where you can just cozy up on those cold nights. And you have to check out this kitchen. It's gorgeous. There's so much natural light that comes in here. It's just so warm and inviting. I love these new quartz countertops. They really highlight the whole space. And check out these stainless steel appliances. They really are every little chef's dream. Now follow me upstairs and we'll check out your master bedroom. And let me welcome you to your massively spacious master bedroom. It is so open, so quiet and peaceful. It's really the getaway you need after a really long day. Now let me show you the master bathroom. It's got these 2 big, beautiful vanities. I feel like everybody needs to have double sinks, especially in your own master bath. I could imagine sharing mine with anybody. And we have a nice standing shower and bathtub and bathroom off to the side. Now that we're done with the master retreat, let's take a look at the bedrooms. They're big, they're bright, they're spacious. And what's most unique about these bedrooms is that they both boast beautiful views of the canyon. I want to thank you so much for joining us for this open house tour of 9 Lucente. With 3 bedrooms and 2.5 baths, this spacious, over 1,400 square foot home can be yours for $645,000. For more information on this home, don't forget to check the description box below and give us a call anytime. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more open house tours. Thanks for watching!